Well, it's got a little flash flood coming across. It's small, but we have water running across the road. Probably about 15-20 feet wide by a few inches deep. Not much, but it is water. We have more up here. A little bit there, a little bit right here. Got more right here. Got a lot of water running on the road there, running down into that ditch. Got a pretty good little rain in here. Got some water running over the road here. Okay, we got a pretty good little flash flood coming down there. So these canyons filled up pretty good with water. That's the Shoshone Indian housing here. And they've got their own little businesses over there. Understand they got a restaurant. But it's not say. People call it that, but it's not really a reservation. And the reason being, if it was a reservation, what does Indian reservations allow? Casinos. Well, you know it's a hot place when it's steaming. Folks, this is not fog. This is actually steam. We're going to park and come in here for a little bit. Okay, well, even after all that rain, it's not cool. Got all the guests out moving around, visitors. Well, way back about 2014, I was going to go to work here. I was going to be the safety director in charge of all safety, fire, and everything. But with things going on...
That's pretty cool. You don't see that too often.
Oh, I know. Isn't that nice?
It's cool, but, you know, it's still pretty neat.
It's steaming. Well, it's whopping 80 degrees today here. With this humidity level, it feels like 180. Oh, some of the old borax mining equipment. Just coming back over, paying a visit to this area today. Got a little 4-cylinder trammer. This was used to pull all the large ore equipment, which in the big mines they had a lot of large equipment. Not sure the type of motor this is, but I'd guess maybe a Ford. Got a nice Ford nickel silver radiator. Water jacket froze once. A little skip that went down the tracks for down into mines. But we're going to go stop. We'll go look at the Death Valley Railroad engine over here. And the old tractor. Now, if we have any train buffs out there, if you look at this beauty, that looks like narrow gauge. I'm pretty sure it is. The Death Valley Railroad was narrow gauge. Came from Death Valley Junction down into Death Valley and up to the mines. And there's a very interesting story. Is when they moved the mine from just outside of Death Valley Junction down into Death Valley, he petitioned to go ahead and run it standard gauge as part of the Tonopah Tidewater Railroad. And the Railroad Commission says, no, that would put an excessive strain on an existing railroad. Well, the biggest supporter for the Tonopah Tidewater Railroad was the Death Valley mines. That's pretty much what it was built for. And then as time went on, he decided that, yeah, we can make it go a little further and get some of the mining stuff. By the time he had it done, the mining was gone. But if you look at this baby, I am pretty sure, I don't know the number without getting my books out, but this looks like it probably was a Denver and Rio Grande train. They had, I think, 3 or 4 of them out here. They scrapped one out and kept the boiler, and that was used at Death Valley Junction's laundry room. Okay, we got the flop, the steam tractor. They had a lot of these built. And in the soft sand, they were worthless. What people don't understand is it's been used. The 20 Mule team used it for years. They used their mules, those wagons. And if you look on a map over by Primm, there's a sighting called Borax. And there was a road that they used the wagons like this with one of these old Danish tractors, and they hauled the borax over there to meet up with the Union Pacific Railroad. Okay, we're going to look at the ranch here. Going to pump out their parking lot. There's a hotel.
You want 9 minutes, Chris?
There he is.
How you doing?
The Oasis in Death Valley. And it really is. Now the biggest thing that slowed up the Tonopah Tidewater Railroad, spring and fall and winter is the only time they could build it. It's just flat too hot to work out here in the summertime. We've been averaging, summertime so far, we've been averaging 115 to 118 in Pahrump every day. And in Death Valley, it's been hitting the high 120s. And if you guys don't know what 120 degree weather feels like, if you live Midwest, East, put your oven on, turn it up and set it to a nice high temperature like 350. Let it warm up. And then open the oven door and stand there for a few minutes. That's what it feels like when you step outside here. Oh, that used to be finance department over there. I think it is, but I'm not sure. There's an old rock crusher, ore crusher. And we're back to the trammer. One of the old industrial motors for one of the mines. Got all these small ore cars.
Look up there. I love it.
A lot of old wagons that they've collected. Miners were resourceful They used anything they could get. There's a printing press for our newspaper. One page at a time. All right, the old motor here. It's probably powered either a large winch in a hoist house or a generator or an air compressor for the mines. These are big. All mines had to have air compressors to run the drills for blasting. Yeah, big old motor. Okay, I want to just walk around some more. Yep. Closed for renovation. They run and got the pump to run over and clear out a puddle developing. But they didn't drive a suction hose or a discharge hose, so two people grab the pump and then another crew grabs the hose. Job security. I'm going to walk around the storage for a little bit and pretty much probably wrap it up here and head off. Well, the water has finally made it down this far. I went to the ranch, had an ice cream, walked around a little bit. When I came in, the water stopped above Dante's view. And now it's all the way down to here. This is on a reservation right here. I'm not going to say what they grow, but it's kind of wacky. Okay, Death Valley Junction. Coming up on it. Oh, Shoshone is 27 miles, 30 miles to Pahrump, Baker's 83. Some old buildings there. I'd love to own this place. The old Opera House. I've fixed this up really nice. Okay. Oh, we got wild horses up ahead, it says. I want to thank everybody for watching today. Like and subscribe. And everybody have a great day. Thank you very much. Good night.